Okay. Now we will discuss about the first rework production order and then go for product costing, how we are going to implement without PP module implementation. These two are only pending of this one in product costing. Then we will close. Then here, as we discussed about this rework production order, means here two production orders will be. If there is any material, we find out. If you find out of any material as a defect after manufacturing, after its manufacturing, then we can able to go and rework of this same material with another production order. But here we are not giving any material, just we will give some reference plant and a reference routing, or if you wanted to manufacturing of this through activity types, reference activity types. And if you want to give any material, that material also we are going to give manually. These material cost and activity cost as per the requirement of to fulfill of this defect. These expenses we are going to settle to the main production order. And how this normally in regular live environment, so many times we can observe this one. This is a live environment. So many times we will face this issue in the future also. But different cases we can able to go. So first we will go same as it is. We will go for one production order. First main production order. Then how after completion of all transactions, means like production order creation, goods issue, activity confirmation, goods shipped. Then we'll go for rework production order without material. That means here CO01. Normal material production order means CO01, and the rework production order means CO07. Then same one more order will be generated. That order, if you want, you can able to book expenses either by way of material or by way of activity type. Then we will go for settle of main production order. So first we will create one new material. Then we'll go for process. MM01. Some ASR FG rework. Or not this much. Rework, mechanical, and FG material. Finished product. And here we can able to copy a lot of material we created. Those materials with respect to this we can able to create. It does not exist. Okay, enter. Basic data. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. So manufacturing materials. And work scheduling, general plan data, storage 1, storage 2, accounting 1, 2, costing 1, 2, as it is. Plant and storage location. Make it, this is the description, rework production order, rework purpose. Basic unit of measure, each unit. MRP type is the PD, and MRP controller should be required, and the costing lot size. MRP2 is a pure manufacturing material, so it is a E. How many days is required to manufacturing 1 day? Strategy group is some gives 10 make to stock scenario. And work scheduling is a production supervisor. And a profit center. Give the profit center here. SR PC. And a valuation class for FG valuation class, give SR2. Here we need to give a enter. Material origin. So this is the material got created. First, we need to create a one material. Same for this material, BOM routing. Then we go for standard cost estimation. Then we will do same as till production order completion. Means production order goods received, same as this. Material, plant, BOM usage, component, give here one quantity, some testing purpose, and routing CA01, material, plant, period, usage, overall status, operations. Yeah, what is the operations of this one? Okay, this one. PP99, double click. Here, use some activities, 3, 2, some 3, fuel 2, labor, save. Then go for production version, MM02, MRP4, production version, valid from today's date. 2 is a 999. Routing, group, alternative BOM, check, continue, 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 save. Then go for standard cost estimation by CK11N. Material, plant, PPC1 standard cost estimation. What happened? Why not? Got is structure of material activities. This one, save. Then go for CK24. Release standard cost estimation. Back and execute. Okay. Then we'll go for creation of a production order first for this material. CO01, material, order type PP01. Use some 10 quantity, calculate, and release. Save. This is the order. This is the main production order. You can call as a, this is the main production order. For this main production order, we will do confirmation by CO11N, goods issue, activity confirmation, goods receipt. Then quantity, make it as a some price differences, 32 or 22. Goods movement. So raw material not there. Okay, if it is any raw material missed out in material master by tick off this backflush material in MRP2, we can go and change in production order, component, this one. This is the tick box missed out. Make it is a backflush. Storage location not found. 001, okay. Then go for CO11 order for changing purpose 25 and 32. Goods movement. Same here. Raw material and FG material. Make it is a 12 quantity. Save. Okay, now this one, completed production process for this material. Now, after completion of a production process with this production order, this material we identified in this stage as a defective material, either manufacturing process defect or consumption oriented wrongly different material we consumed at the time of a goods issue to production level. Either both the cases, either material consumption or activities, we found out this material is a impacted, means not a original material which was required by the customer. In that situation, to do without touching of this production order, if you want to do manufacture, if you want to do rectification of means in general, in physically they will do manufacture, they will do modify with this material only. But in SAP, in a system point of view, technical point of view, without touching of this production order, we will create a some other production order, some other new production order. We can book those expenses and receiver should be this production order. Whatever the expenses, if you are booking of expenses material, it will go to the material goods issue topic. If you are booking of a confirmation, those expenses will appear here under the confirmation. So for that, we need to create a rework production order. That transaction code is the CO07. Here there is no rework production order, not like a statement, just production order without material. But in receiver, we will give this material, this production order is the receiver of this child production order. We can call as a child production order, CO07. Here we can see here, there is no concept of a material, only production plant order type. No need to give anything, just to plant and order, enter. This one, make it this one. Here we can able to make it copy, rework process. Okay, same how many quantities we wanted to, means 10 quantity, whatever how much we give, is enter. Here we are not maintaining anything of material plant, means BOM and routing, because of here material itself is not available here. So go for generate operations. See, system immediately system will ask what is the receiver order. Before going to creation of a rework production order, system definitely should ask what is the receiver production order. So here we can give this production order here. And the order type is the ORD category. ORD is a category order. Here order and enter. Order does not exist. Okay. Copy. Enter. I copied 1002013. Enter. Like this. Without creation, without generate of one order, system definitely will ask what should be the receiver order. This is the receiver order. Back without is there any validity? We'll check what is the distribution rule. Distribution rule means in settlement profile we can able to view. What is the settlement profile for this one? This is settlement profile. Correct now? Everything is okay. Then why is system is asking? Okay, we'll check any other distribution for this one. Go for CO02. What is the settlement profile for this one? Go to settlement rule. Go to settlement parameter here. See this one, different allocation structure. What is our settlement profile means for this company code KSR, and allocation structure is the KS. This one. Same naming code only I designed for this one. Back and save. Then go for CO07. Enter. Rework production order. Generate OR. Enter. Back. Where is the validity limit here? No validity, na? Okay, we'll check which order type we selected for this one. SPRO. 2 minutes. Production. Job floor. Master data. Dependent parameters. Plant is the KSRP. PP01. No, this one. Define production order type. PP01. PP01 production order. A settlement profile is a PP01. Enter. This one is why. Allocation structure for production order for this settlement profile. What is this one? We can give anything, no issue, but it should not come like this as it is of a production order. Settlement profile. PP01. ZK. Make it is our production, this one. Here also nothing. Okay, save. No validity also maintained. Back and we'll make a calculate. Save. CO07. Mhm. Is there any specific period-wise distribution rule? It's not a specific, no? 12 months to 9999. Or we will use our distribution rule. SM0S, SM00. Settlement rule. Go to. We can give our earlier whatever we did. SM0S settlement. SM00. Enter. Save. CO07. We will create one more order. CO01.
My voice confirms my identity.
Save. Change. Settlement rule. Parameters. Okay, PP01 KSRA. Then CO07.
My voice confirms my identity.
What is this? What is our production order? CO03, latest production order. Hmm. You can also use different settlement, but does not require such distribution rules or change difference rule. Can remove. But why this is automatically should come? Any idea? Time waste. Can we create another order type like this? Just I will try this some other new production order type for this production. I will try different way. Master order, production order type. Already opened. Okay, just copy ZP01, ZP02. Make it is a rework process. Save. Okay. Same settlement of PP01. Then go for new production order you can create. Or same production order. CO01 and CO01, CO07, material ZP02, all we should do configuration. Dependent parameters. PP01, select, give our newly created PP02, save. Back, next operation, available to check, define checking control for goods is KSRP and PP01, PP02. Copy of this one. ZP02 for production order creation and release. Save. Then go for scheduling parameters. Same KSRP, PP01, ZP02, our new production order category. Then they only define for production order confirmation. Production order confirmation. KSRP, copy, ZP02, save. Back. Enter. Check 214 or 213, either one this. Take, enter here. Reference, cancel. Therefore, we need to design for separate reference values for we created new order type. So for this, yeah, some configuration here also PP side only completely. Define values for generate operations, plant, new entries. Here order type is our new order type ZP02. Control key same PP19 whatever we are giving. Denominator one and this one. Base quantity that also make it one. Here we can give operation 10. First operation, second operation. Save. back. Oh, CO07, enter, rework production order, generate distribution cycle, enter. So date some mismatch, sir. Today is the 8th. This is already I did. Even is getting error.
Yeah, Google, there was some post.
Already I did now. And because of here, I am thinking is a date only. Today's system date is 8th. Here is a, we'll make it is a some 10 like that. Calculate. Save. A receiver is the same order only. Full settlement we can give. Okay, I will find this issue later offshore and I will do record. This is not a big deal. Already same company code, same plant I did first batch, same with the company code KSR and the plant KSRP, same thing. I will share that record to you. But this is a just back means why it is, but definitely I will find, but it will take time now.
We remove the from and to period.
Earlier I did this one only.
Okay.
Even that also system is not allowing. Go to settlement rule. Only I did like this only. Just back. But I'm expecting this is the date issue only. Okay, this is already I have a record this one recently because of that first batch people, same company code, same plant, same like this only. PP01 only. I didn't use some other production order. And PP01 I did. I will share that record. But nothing here. This is only just save expenses booking settled off this one. Even save. System will not allow first of all save. The last topic is why unnecessary this problem.
Sridhar, there is one indicator in the settlement profile that is creating any problem.
Which one?
In the settlement profile, under indicators tab, we have checked in that 100% validation. Whether that is creating any problem.
That we did, na 100% only should go.
In the settlement,
I suggest to remove that.
No, with the same setting I did for first batch people. Na? If I remove, then how first? Under settlement, this one. Na?
Just read the F1 help. Just a
No, this is 100% validation means total how much of expenses totally booked. That should be 100% validation. Out of that 100%, either we can go by percentage wise or by equivalence wise or amount wise we are going to do. That's the thing.
Sridhar, in the right hand side you could see the material settlement is required. Is it correct? It is required no? In this case. Because it is order. Yes.
Okay. We'll see. One more time will be great. Thanks, Kavita. Save. Okay, this is the production order. Who did that made? Normally I will make it is all are optional. See, this is the rework order.
For testing would have done that.
Testing their settlement profile, they should not with ours. No? We will face this type of issue. This is a rework order. Already we booked this. Which one we have given? Change. Already booked some expenses to this one. Header, settlement rule. 3 we did already. Back. Save. Then CO03, original production order. Means main production order. Already booked for this one. Go to cost analysis. Then here for second production order, this one, copy. Then we will go for, suppose I wanted to go some extra machinery and the extra manufacturing process defect. Suppose this material is a manufacturing defect. So only give a activity confirmation for this. Before going to that, make it is a CO02. This is the production order. Here operations we need to give here. Reference means automatically for second operation, first operation we gave reference operation unit, and the control key PP99, whatever we gave this modification, that will come automatically based on the reference. Here we can able to give what is the work center. If you want to change modification through this one, enter. And what are the activities we are going to use here? Double click of second production order and standard value key. Here we can able to give activity type also not give, we will give some other. Okay. Some 5 hours labor is required. Enter. And some 3, whatever it may be, wherever you wanted, some labor is required, power is required, fuel is required, some 2 liters or 2 kilowatts of power. With these 2 activity types required to manufacturing, to close means to rectify of this our material defect by way of this production order activities confirmation. So save. Then go for production order confirmation for second, this one, enter. See, whatever we have given, the labor and the power only will come here. Goods movement will not come because of we didn't give. There is no goods issue, there is no goods receipt. Only expenses we are going to book, just like internal order. Then save. See, and expenses we booked, those labor and power is going to book here. Go and come back. Okay, after settlement only we can, okay, see. We'll see first CO03. Go to order analysis. Okay, this is the rework production order. Then go for original production order CO03. Edit cost analysis. This one. Now this expenses means how much of expenses we booked for rework production order. This is 68110 need to be settled. Once you settle, that amount is going to updated here main production order. Go for directly KO88 because of here there is no variance concept, because of there is no target cost for this material. So no need of a calculation of a variance. Directly go for this material settlement period, remove test run and execute this one on 5.
She's a controlling area.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, yes, sir. Enter. Then go for KO88. Remove test run and execute. See here, sender is the rework production order 15. Receiver is the main production order 13. That whatever the expenses we booked to this rework production order is going to be settled off this main production order. And accounting entry also here. Order means same how many activity types, those activity types will come into picture here. Those activity types here, order is the whatever the expenses we are sending, that is going to updated is the credit side, and the receiving expenses we are going to as a debit side. Only order only here. Now then go for check in production order of receiver. This is means this one 2015 rework production order balance. It is going to be 0. Go to cost analysis. It is 0. Shame. Then where it will go these 2 amount, it is going to updated in here. Enter. Go to cost analysis. Not this one. 13 production order. Go to cost analysis. See here. 2 labor will come here. We can check here some layout. This one we can bring here. Here, these two origin means these are directly activities coming from this production order. But these two labor and power origin is the order is the 2015 from which system is going to calculate. That's why here see there is no plan for this one because at the time of a production order, this order will be not there. So there is no plan cost. Only actual cost time only. Actual time after creation of this main production order, we identified, then we created this one. This expenses booked and settled to this one. So there is no plan for this and bifurcation purpose. So here we can able to do this one. Then after expenses settled to this main production order from rework production order, this also included. Then finally, for this production order having a balance 75,566 as a variance. That variance we are going to settle. KKS to main production order. One 2013. 8th period. Execute. 75,566. Then coming to the settlement. KO 88. Remote test and execute as the settlement. What is the source? CO02. Source structure, again someone is assigned. Settlement rule. See here. Oh, okay, this came this one. Back, save. Remove settlement rule, then we'll allow system KO88. Remove test and execute. Enter. Same. 75,566, which includes rework production order expenses amount also, like activity types, labor as well as the power expenses. Those expenses under this main production order expenses both are we are going to settle by this way. Go and check in CO03. So checking purpose of balances. Go to cost analysis. This one here. Which means here these two expenses also we are settling to the main production order. Either we can create a new order type or we can go for create a same production order type, no issue. But reference means without material we are going to give. So there is no process of new production order type, or if we create for a specific identification purpose, we can able to create a new production order type. This one. And one more thing is the last one. This one. But here, only one time only I implemented this concept. Without a PP module. If there is no PP module, how we are going to do product costing? Means here there is no bill of material, there is no routing, there is no work center. There is no PP production order. PP production order means there is no activity confirmation, means CO11, but activity confirmation will be there here, but not through people. Directly, direct activity allocation concept. How we are going to do this one? Just this is a simple business process, means without a PP module, how we are going to implement product costing. That's it. This is we can able to create a standard cost estimation for this material. Either go for product cost to standard cost estimation without quantity structure, or one more transaction code is for this one, that unit cost estimation, some CK, some UK, I think you see, will see this transaction code. This is nothing but a standard cost estimation without unit cost estimation. Means we have to give manually material as well as activity type. And also if you want to any, means automatically overhead, if you do costing sheet, that will come. No need of a give manually for overhead. If you give material as well as activity type, either you can use this transaction code without products PP, without means without quantity structure or unit cost estimation, both are same concept. I will show you. Directly we can able to create a new material and go for this transaction. I will show you. But here there is no backflush concept, because in material master we will not extend any MRP tabs. MRP tabs means these are tabs are required for PP module. If there is no PP module, there is no MRP tabs. In MRP 2 only we are maintaining a backflush tick box. So here, if without production order, means there is no concept of a CO11 and auto goods receipt as well as auto goods issue. We have to go for manually MIGO goods issue for 261, 261 for goods issue, and 101 for goods receipt. And activity confirmation by KB 21N something. It's a direct activity allocation. We'll see first this one, how this functionality will work. I will create one new material, then we can see, because of without extended MRP tabs, I will create one material. MM01 FG, some unit we can call. Make it is a enter. Reference does not exist. Okay. And here only basic data. No need of all MRP tabs. Because of here PP module itself is not there. No work scheduling. Because of we are not going to create a production order CO01. No PP production order. So only basic data 1, general plan data storage 1, storage 2, accounting 1 to costing 1 to as this. Plant and storage location as this. Here FG material without PP concept. Basic unit of measure each unit. Everything is the same except this one. Enter. Give here profit center. And valuation class is that SR2. Make it is a standard cost estimation for this material. So material origin. So just to material creation. Then for this material, no need of a BOM, work center routing. Directly we can go for create a standard cost estimation. Either by way of, I will show you here, standard cost estimation for this production. Accounting, controlling, product cost controlling, planning, material cost estimation here. Till now we have used this so many times, cost estimation with the quantity structure CK11. And here without quantity structure is there. Here is the either you go for this one unit custom CKUC or go for KKPAN. If you are concentration of this one further manufacturing process means through CO production order, you can go for KKPAN, or if you want to just edit costing, then you will go for unit cost estimation. Either both are same concept. CKUC means this screen will come. Multi-level unit costing. Just here give me create create a material cost estimation. This screen will come, material, plant. See here, there is no costing structure, means quantity structure, only costing data and dates. Enter. This screen will appear. We have to give manually or like this. This is unit cost estimation for this one. And go for back. And if you go for KKPAN also, same screen. Costing data, dates, and enter. Same here also this one. Same, create unit cost estimate. Both are same concept. Okay. Normally either you can use both. If you go either, you go system will show this screen only. But we will use the terminology without a production order, without a quantity structure like that. But for this material here, we have to give manually what are the material, because of there is no predetermined input quantity, input material. There is no predetermined activity type with the quantity. Here, whatever we want, we can give manually here. Category, suppose material, means bill of material. Suppose bill of material, we can assume. Then what is the material for this one? Give a raw material here. Enter. You give some raw material. Yeah, this one. And here, everything you have to give manually only. Plant is like SRP and some two quantity just to enter. 200 will come. How this will come? Based on the cost component structure. This is the cost element that is going to updated here in the material master. If you enter here, material master multiplied rate with two quantity. Rate is the 100, 2 into 2, 200 will come. And this cost element is coming from automatically based on the cost component structure. And activity type, if you want to give here, give E internal activity. Same in CK13N, we have seen so many times is M is the material and E is the internal activity. That internal activity, and the system is trying to search KP26 combination. Here, which cost center? Either one of this one, MMG, for example, MMG1. This is the cost center. Resource means here, if you select E, system is going to select a cost center. If you make it as a M, in this resource, system is going to take a material. We need to select that's it. For this material, means for this raw material, system is trying to search this plant. For activity, for this cost center, here system is going to search for activity type. See here, plant and activity. If we give material, system will search plant. If we give cost center, system will search for activity type here. Give here whatever the activity type if you want. Our machine, labor. And here how much of a quantity enter. See automatically rate will come. How means this combination already we maintain in KB26. Same KB26 is required for this one. Multiplied with one quantity. This is the rate. And still if you want any activity types, again, we have to give manually. This is the cost center and labor is the some other activity mission. Here some 2 hours is the required means this one. Here changing. How this will come? Cost center with the activity type, we already maintain KB26 for 8th. That rate multiplied with this quantity amount is coming. So 2927 is the standard cost estimation for this material. Save. Here also some display. This one. See whatever. Material, labor means this one. Insurance means we added something. Save. 2 times we need to save. First time is a buffer, second time this one. This is nothing but a without a quantity structure. Here in costing data, There is no quantity structure concept here. If you click on quantity structure, normally we are observing BOM and routing concept. Here there is no tabs of a costing structure, means quantity structure. Though because of this is the without quantity structure concept. Then as it is, go for this one, CK24 release. Release is the same concept. Material, company code, plant, remove test and execute. One material cost estimation saved. Back. Then release. Okay, this is standard cost estimation. This one, KKPAN. Standard cost estimation either by way of a CKUC or KKPAN, and give manually M is the material, E is the activity type. And release standard cost estimation marking and release as it is of this one. And then go for production order creation. Normally after completion of this marking and release, how we are going to create a production order, CO01 for production order creation. But here there is no CO01 concept, no quantity structure. So go for production order creation KKF1. KKF1 is the production order creation. Here itself we can go for this one. Cost object controlling by order. See here, three options. One is the PP production order, means that is a CO01 means PP people will create. That's why here only change and display. Our CO production order means here creation is available. Means that is our responsibility, CO production order. In PP point of view, only change. There is no option CO01 in our product cost by order. But here our concept, this is a pure our concept because of there is no PP module here. So first we need to create a PP production order. For this also, we need to design one order type. That order type, one step of CP01 or something order type. I will show you. Same CO01, we need to give some PP01 order type. That PP production order type. Similarly, CO production order type configuration we need to design. Controlling, product cost controlling, cost object controlling, by order, here manufacturing order, see this one. Check costing variant for manufacturers within the bracket PP. This we did earlier. So like PP, P1, PP, C1, some ZPC1, ZPC2 for this. But this is the CO production order. See, check costing variant for CO production order, valuation variance production order. Before that, first we need to create a order type. What is the order type for this one? CP01 is the standard CO production order. That order category is the 4. Same internal order 01, product cost collector 05. Similarly, for this of CO production order, 04 is our CO production order. This is standard production order. You can able to give here this one. Same just like internal order. For this order type of CO production order type, we need to assign to our plant. This one. Define cost accounting relevant for default order types with the plant. Select our this anyone combination of with the CP01. Copy. Enter. Here give our plant KSR P. Order type is the CP01. And result analysis key. If any WIP partially, then that also we can do. Save. Now we have to give this order type CP01 while creating a production order with CO production order, not for PP production order. Then for a costing variant for CO production order plan, go for check costing variant for CO production order plan. This one. PC01 is the PCO1 is the CO production order plan, not actual. Next here, valuation variant is the same only, 006 production order plan. But instead of a PPP1, normally at the time of a production order creation, PPP1 is the costing variant for production order plan. PPP2 is the production order actual, but actual is the here PPP2. But this one plan means species O1 is the production order plan for this one. But valuation variant is the same, but we are going to consider of a production order plan PCO1 save. These two only slightly change, different for this one. So go for creation of a production order KKF1. See order type, just now whatever we have given, that CP01, that production order we need to give. And material, what is our material? Oh, material we didn't take. This one. Enter, plant, enter. Just like internal order, same screen of internal order. No? CO production order. Same plant, profit center, company controlling area. Control data. Here, order category, we can able to see is the 4 is the CO production order. And release. See, settlement rule is the same, would be material. Same settlement rule for CO production order, PP production order. Then save. Once release, save. This is the production order number. KKF1 is the production order number. What is our material? This is our material. Okay, in CO PP production order, once we create, automatically production order plan will generate with reference of BOM and routing, how much multiplied with the production order quantity. But here we created only for production order, that's it only. And for production order seeing means we can able to view this KKF3 is a production order display. There we can able to view total how much of a plan and how much of a actuals. Go for KKF3 for this one. This is the order. Here we can able to go for extras cost analysis. See here, no plan, no actuals. Only just we created a CO production order. We have to give manually production order plan as well as actual. Actual anyway we have to give manually. For plan also we have to give for manually. That transaction is the KKF4 is the production order plan. Here, normally production order creations, PP production order creation automatically plant will generate. But here we have to give CO production order plan manually. Here, production order creation. Everything is a manually only here. Standard cost estimation time, we have to give manually material and activity type. Production order creation and the plan also we have to give. Go for this one KKF4, enter our production order. See here, costing variant will come automatically CO production order, PCO1. Then here, give material. See, click on cost estimation find. This will come. Based on the with respect to standard cost estimation only, we are going to do. Execute. This will come automatically. PPC1 and the casting date version 0. Enter. Same screen will come because of with respect to of that production order quantity, that amount is coming here. Same, this is also unit costing, but based on the production quantity. Already we identify here, if it is a production order will be there, this is the production order plan. Otherwise in KKPCN also same screen. See here, KKPCN is a product cost estimation display. This one. See here, same screen, but here material will be available. Here along with the material, production order will be there. If it is a production order is there, this data is nothing but a production order plan. If without production order means this is a standard cost estimation. Because here both are unit cost estimation only, here we can able to view. There is no production order plan, there is no standard cost estimation, not like that. This is the only identification. If your production order is there, this data is the production order plan. If there is no production order, then this data is nothing but a standard cost estimation. But all are unit only. If data is okay, just save. Now go and check here, KKF3 production order display, extras, cost analysis, plan data will come. Because of once we did KKF4, this plan data will come. Same goods issue and a confirmation. Here goods received, only actuals only will come into picture. No concept of plan data. Okay. Then okay, this is a normal. But here instead of a CO11 confirmation of a production order, how we are going to do this activity? Means first we need to for goods MIGO 261 and then go for KB21 for activity confirmation and MIGO for goods receipt, which means this is the goods issue. This is the confirmation. Activity confirmation. This is the goods receipt. Okay. Now we'll go for first goods receipt. Goods issue. MIGO. MIGO goods issue. Goods issue. Here we should not put order. We should put other. We should put order means system is considered production order. If you make it is a other, then only system is here. Other also. Other means the system will not ask any production order. If you make it is order, system will ask production order. So this, if you try to this, does not contain something also any selected items like this. This is actually speaking, this should be. We should not go for PP product, this is CO production order, active goods issue. Should go for other, enter. This is also 261 only. Give here material. What is our material? Raw material. We came out of this. Okay, this is the raw material. This is the raw material. This raw material need to give here manually. Enter. Quantity. Here also give some 5 quantity. Where? Plant and storage location. And partner account assignment. Here also we need to give manually production order. Everything is a manually here. Item okay. See here main important. If you give order and you try to give this production order, System will throw, there is no, does not contain any selectable items, which means already posted or already settled, something like that. But actually we didn't do. Check post. But accounting entry, same, consumption account debit to inventory. If you follow whatever method in SAP, our final accounting entry should not be change anything. Accounting document is a consumption account debit to inventory only. GBB, VBR to BSX only. Whatever you production or CO production order, PP production order, or some other product cost by period, sale order, whatever it may be, this accounting entry, this GL account should not be changed. Debit 400, 100, credit to 200, 100 should be whatever you follow product costing techniques in SAP. And go for activity confirmation. For activity confirmation, this one, KB21N, direct activity allocation. This is the transaction code for activities booking. Here, enter direct activity allocation. Here, controlling document date and posting date will come. Here, screen variant, we have to select order. Then only here, cost center, activity type, order with the quantity we have to enter here. Same here also, manually only. What are the activity type here? Machinery and labor we have given. What is the cost center? MFG I-1. Here we need to select MFG I-1 cost center. One is the machinery, and second one is the labor. Order is the, this is the order. Enter. Here you need to give how much of a quantity is required. How much of a quantity we have given, 2 quantity. Then we make it is a for difference purpose, some 5 quantity. Enter. Here some 4 quantity. Some production activities confirm. This one. Header level data also, if you want to, here copy and paste here. So text. Save. Document poster first 132. Go for here. Production order plan. Both the actuals means goods issue we did and activity confirmation also we did. Go for so KKF3. Enter. Extras. Cost analysis. This one. Now go for goods received with respect to this production order. Same MIGO screen. This screen is the same. Goods received, order. Here we can able to give order. Only goods issue only, other we have to give. But goods received as it is. Material, quantity, where, storage location we have to give. Order data means this is a production order. Check, post. And here also accounting entry is the same. What is accounting entry? Cost of goods manufactured is the credit. Debit is the inventory. The inventory is coming, so debit is the inventory. Cost of manufacture, cost of goods manufactured is the credit side. Just somewhat here we can able to, one more line will come, same as it is. Go back, enter, extras, cost analysis. This one. Here, 5664 is the variance. Variance, WAP variance settlement as the same transaction cost, so no changes like KKS to KO88. KKS to order, remove test run and execute. Same thing, 5664. Then go for settlement. Remove test run, execute. Here also, accounting treatment should not be changed. What is the accounting entry? Price difference account debited to cost of goods manufactured. And the split also we activated, that also will come. Leave it this one. Price variance account debited to cost of goods manufactured is a credit. Same thing here. We can able to in CKM3 also. Same structure. Quantity goods, beginning inventory, goods receipt like that only. Production like this. Understand this one, but this is I did only one time only this scenario. Means in my implementation project only for one time only, because of everything is a manual. Manual means definitely somewhere they are going to mistake. Standard cost estimation manual, production order plan also manual, activities confirmation also manual, goods issue also we have to give manually production order. Everything is a manual here.
So what type of business scenario business will go for this one, sir?
And this one, because of is any different, suppose first wave, second wave, third wave, like this, stages of this implementation. First wave only have FI CO implementation. Second stage is the logistics. Third stage is the production module. Like that, each ways means, but they wanted to go for product costing initial first wave. They wanted to go for this type of a functionality. After that, we are going to close off this completely, this stop. Then we'll go for PP production point of view. But same, accounting entry same, will not change anything. Material also same. But they are to go for extension of MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 tab. Then for that, PP master data like BOM, work center routing they created. Same material, they will do process instead of a CO production order. They will go for PP production order. There is no impact. Only SAP screen is a different, that's it. But accounting point of view, there is no impact. Same OBYC setting, GBBR, BSX, activity confirmation, activity type, all are same. This way, for initial stage, what I implemented first, initial stage, first wave 1, only for they wanted to go for finance and product costing also. Wave 2, completely logistics, SD and MM. Wave 3, production implementation. That time, all materials we extended manually for all tabs. Manually means some BDC. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. Then PP people will create PP master data. Then means its configuration is there, but we are not using of this one. We'll go for this PP production point. Okay. This is as of now my experience. Means so further, henceforth, once 2022 is that depends upon the client requirement, may come is different situations. But still, I am doing R&D on this Fieri apps concept. If any additionally, but as of now, I didn't find any new technology, new Fieri apps concept. I am expecting a lot of things in future for this one. Majorly, I am concentration of this one, which one means a combined based COBA concept. 2022 with all concepts. So I'm eagerly waiting for this one, 2022. Yesterday also I asked him. He is providing, he is making a setup, but he is committed that date is a November end or January 1st is going to give Final, definitely he is going to give January 1st, he is telling. Damn sure he told. Because of that people, those people will not give server provider. We need to make it as some setup all. Understand? Okay, any queries? Still some 10 to 15 minutes are there. All scenarios, if any query means I will give reply. And also not only means if you doubt anything, just give WhatsApp. I will reply to that. Whenever I will free the time.
Sir, I have asked for overview of phantom assembly.
Phantom assembly means here, whatever we discuss as of now, fully concentration on manufacturing process. 100% is a manufacturing in our oriented. But here, phantom assembly is also manufacturing process. But here, majorly we are going to assemble because of a big infrastructure, means big engineering products. They are not going to manufacturing. Because suppose some this what is that example of this one? Some automobile industry, not only automobile.
Can we take Alstom railway engineering?
Like that. Yeah, correct. Example, exactly correct that, Balish. They are some parts one, though whatever manufacturing means requirement of a final product, that sub components they will not do manufacturing. They will bring some other, means those materials are input material. Those materials are FG, because of that is a FG material only, some other by manufacturing. But for these people, for this our plant would become a raw material. Already manufacturing manufacturing materials, they are going to assemble with the phantom size. Means first stage is a one type of a assembled. Second stage is a some other assembled. Third stage is a some other assembled product. Means instead of a creation of a 3 production orders, they will go for 1 production order. Each assembly is they are going to creating one operation. Means operation means output will come. Here, what is our concept? After completion of all operations, only output product is coming. But here, each operation output is coming. Instead of creating of suppose operation 1 and operation 2, operation 3. Yet each operation is a completely same product is going to different concept. Assemble product after completion of this mean once operation completed, one type of a FG material will come. Second operation completed, second FG will come. Third operation completed, one more material will come. Instead of creating of each product material, means each production order, one phantom production, one final phantom assembly production order will create. Each operation wise, they are going to link up with this one. For this one type of assembly is required. One type of a material means one type of activity type is required. Either activity, machine, labor, some other, whatever it may be. But once operation done, FG will come. Means first FG, first product. This is going to sellable material. Same assembled product, same whatever we are bringing from outside, those materials with operation 2. With that operation 2, FG material will, FG2 material will come. And the same equipments with this operation 3, FG3 material will come. All are going to useful and all are going to sellable material. But normally what we did complete manufacturing, FG1 is a 1 production order, FG2 1 production order, FG3 1 production order we are doing. But phantom assembly means instead of creating of each material production order, only one final phantom final assembly product, only one strategy group they will create one order. Under order, this type of a process they design. whatever it may be, our operation one means what are the work center. In what are the work center, what is the cost center with the activity type linked. Suppose operation one, definitely we need to give one work center. That work center need to give this combination, cost center with activity type. This cost center with activity type, we have need to check whether this a KB26 rate is there or not. This KB26 rate, how we brought either by a KSPI or by manually. Yeah, KSPI means that should be a KP06. Like that. We'll go for design like this. Same operation 2 means some other cost center, some other work center may introduce work center 1. This work center 1 may be different cost centers with the activity type. Same logic. Anthem assembly means instead of creating a multiple production order, only they will create a one production order. Each operation wise output product will come.
So the FG1, FG2, FG3 individually will have their own BOM as well, right?
No, not required. That is the thing. Nah? BOM is the same for all. Same BOM. Here output product is the some. They will go for some text or some other main output material. If we do manufacturing in this one, FG1 will come, FG2 will come, FG3 will come. Then BOM is the same material, but operation processes maybe different stages wise they are going to do. Phantom means stages wise. But linking here, each operation have a different work centers. Each work center, our combination is there. Our activity with the cost center. Here 1:1. One cost center we can assign multiple work center, but not vice versa. One work center have only one cost center. Here WC1 and WC2. Here we can give cost center, here one cost center. For WC1, second work center, we can give our combination. But here one work center, we can't able to cost center 1, cost center 2, cost center 3, not like that. Not vice versa, but only one work center, only one cost center only should be. But activity types only is going to changes. Okay. But this is the product is the phantom assembly. Some manufacturing process, but comparable to engineering products, manufacturing process is a less oriented. But here itself, manufacturing process also would be. But engineering products is a majorly this type of a production process they will introduce. Any queries?
Here I have two questions. The first one, like the various scenarios you have explained, right? Like this rework order, subcontracting, everything relating to production order. So the same thing will apply for like product cost collector if we use also the same process will apply.
Same.
Rework order, everything.
Yeah, same. Here production order, that's it, was the namesake only. We can use by product cost collector, production cost by order also, same thing.
Okay.
Same process.
Yeah. Another question on that actual costing, Sridhar, like we are executing actual cost like in live environment at plant level for all materials we are running, right? So in case we are finding some error in some of the materials, okay, and we want to reverse that post-closing means, can we select that particular material and we can reverse, or we should reverse?
No, not like that. Because if you want select of a particular material means, you have to go for some CKM heads, I think. CKM heads or CKM. Yeah, this is not supported by this one. CKMI. See here. This is normally material ledger in ECC. This is the material. This is the plant.
Okay.
Here, this function is completely ruled out in S4HANA.
Okay.
Normally in post-closing, CKMLCP post-closing option, this is CKMI transaction code. This is a SAP S4HANA not releasing. Earlier, CKMH is the individual material. So many times I executed in ECC.
Okay.
CKMH means single level single level calculation. Whatever this one, CKMH. This is a single level. But here there is no concept of a single level, multi-level concept. All are clubbing into settlement. So all transaction codes are ruled out. And similarly, post-closing also, CKMH is a post-closing for single material. That times, whatever you ask, so many times I reversed to single material.
Okay.
But here, that closing entries also is not supported for this one. They completely ruled out. We have to execute plant-wise.
So we have to reverse the full thing and then we have to re-execute.
Because what they means this material is some other sending to input material, some other manufacturing material. This cost should be roll up to the next level. No? If you do only reverse of this one again rerun means what about the output material? If any price differences occurred, any added amount here, this should be rolled to the next level. That link is going to miss if you closing of only reversal of material specific.
Okay.
That is a linking that amount that this material and output material, that quantity of price differences is going to cut. That's why S4HANA they ruled out of completely this transaction code of single material reversal.
But while execution, we can give the material then.
Execution time we can give.
It will take up the bottom materials like raw material, SOC and all for roll up. Right?
Yeah, roll up that way. From here to next level is going to, that link is going to cut. But that is not a suggestible, Hita.
Okay. That's what I'm facing issue. Yesterday we thought of doing that, but anyway, I thought of asking you then.
Because of that, the link is going to cut means we will not get actual cost of output material.
Right.
Same material we will get, but output material we will not get.
Right. And what I'm facing, system itself, it is giving error that post-closing entries exist. Because we tried to reverse only for one material, it is giving that error. So I think system also is having some validation here. Okay, thanks, Sridhar.
Okay. Any queries, send a WhatsApp message. Definitely I will reply.
Sure, sir.
And also I will try to start to 2022. I will inform you all people, just you can join. If any differences between 2021 to 2022, I will update through message, WhatsApp message. That time you can come and join. But before going to that, first I need to check what are the differences between 2021 and 2022. Already I expected somewhere, some points. I note down also. First I will see, then I will do start for this one. And also I asked him all feed apps I wanted to activate 2022. I will not go for GUI for all. I wanted to go all three transaction, this one, which one? Feed apps only. But it will take time. Because of that is we were very almost 13 years. Since 13 years, this screen we habituated. If you suddenly change screen, CK11 and screen is a different means we need to search where is the execution, where is the create, where is the display. That way, because of present client, my client, if I open GUI, immediately they are escalating. One guy Yesterday, day before yesterday, we have seen one POC concept. This sale order casting. I opened VA03, showed them sale order casting. Then he wanted to go for production order creation. By mistake, he opened CO03 in GUI. Spot escalation they did. Normally, consultants not required. Fiori apps or GUI. Their side only required, because of henceforth that GUI concept is going to close. But I don't know. But consultant should go this one only, because of since R3, ECC, S4 HANA initial stage also, so we have seen all GUI application only. Immediately, this web application means how we can, first of all, we can't able to digest. Total 3 apps, no? One is the GUI, second one is the web application, third one is the design studio. GUI means directly you can be able to create through transaction code in Fiori application. CK11N, okay. But in web application means they will create a one number, F123, 124 like that. That is a web application. That the web application, now I am going to by heart. Because of in front of customer, I am searching first of all, where is a create, where is a save, where is a display, where is the change layout like that. So I am by hearting all these Fiori apps because they are escalating. He opened production order just with the screen. Yes, they escalated. But luckily I saved because I went to the VA03, just saved and come back. You people also just try to open that Fiori apps by habitual, then some after, but not immediately. We can't able to adjust. It will take slowly through Fiori apps because of SAP GUI is going to roll out, but not immediately. After some months, all Fiori apps, even configuration also. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening all my stories.
Thank you to you, Shiva. You have given so much knowledge to us.
Okay, keep in touch now through WhatsApp. Any update now, I will also share. You can also have any issue in live environment, just to share me. They can also this is a web UI framework. This is a Fiori apps all. Okay. We'll see in future. After coming any new feature, now definitely I will inform. You can join that session. If any differences find it, definitely I will share. You can join there. Okay,
Sure.
fine.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.